Okay. Today is Tuesday. It's the day after Memorial Day. We're looking a little bit rough. Not really, because we're kind of tan. Anyway, we're going to do a book of the day and an outfit of the day. The book of the day is the first book of King of Sins, which is King of Wrath. So far, 10 out of 10. Outfit of the day. My BKE jeans from Buckle. Uber cute. They're not stopping with this time. A Free People shirt from Buckle. Some Hey Dudes. And then my hair that I wore on the boat yesterday. So, fucked up. That's what it is. Anyway, I'm gonna go eat Chinese food now. Okay. Love you guys. Bye.